You're using generative AI completely wrong, and I'm about to show you 5 game-changing capabilities that just dropped that nobody's talking about yet. Most people are still stuck using AI like it's 2023. They're typing basic prompts, getting mediocre results, and wondering why everyone else seems to be getting magic while they're getting meh. The problem isn't you, it's that you don't know about these brand new features that literally changed everything. Let me walk you through the 5 most powerful AI capabilities announced recently that will transform how you work. First up, multimodal reasoning chains. This isn't just about uploading an image anymore. Now you can feed AI a combination of text, images, audio, and even video files simultaneously, and it creates logical connections between all of them. Open up ChatGPT's interface, and you'll see the new multi-input panel at the bottom. Click the paperclip icon, and instead of choosing one file type, you can now select multiple formats. Upload a photo of your whiteboard notes, attach your meeting recording, and paste your email thread. The AI reads all 3 inputs and creates comprehensive action items that reference specific details from each source. Second game changer, persistent memory across sessions. Go to your settings menu in Claude or ChatGPT, and you'll find a new memory management section. Enable persistent context, and suddenly your AI remembers your work style, your project details, and your preferences without you repeating yourself every single conversation. It's like having an assistant who actually pays attention. Set up your memory profile by clicking Create Memory Profile, then input your role, your current projects, and your communication preferences. Now every conversation builds on the previous ones. Third major update, real-time collaborative editing. This one's buried in the interface, but it's revolutionary. Look for the Collaboration tab in your AI interface. Click Start Shared Session, and you can now work simultaneously with the AI on documents, presentations, or code. You type, it suggests, you both edit live. No more copying and pasting back and forth. The AI sees your cursor movements and actively anticipates what you need next. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily and you don't want to miss these cutting-edge updates. Fourth capability that's flying under the radar, adaptive workflow automation. Navigate to the new workflows section in your AI dashboard. This isn't basic automation anymore. You can now create complex, multi-step processes where the AI makes decisions at each stage based on outcomes from previous steps. Click Create Advanced Workflow, then set up decision trees. For example, set it to analyze incoming emails, categorize them by urgency, draft appropriate responses for each category, and only send the ones that meet your specified criteria while flagging edge cases for your review. The fifth breakthrough is contextual code generation with live environment integration. If you're using Cursor, GitHub Copilot, or the new VS Code AI extensions, you've probably noticed the enhanced context panel. Enable repository-wide understanding, and the AI now reads your entire codebase, understands your architecture patterns, follows your naming conventions, and suggests code that fits seamlessly with your existing project. It's not just autocomplete anymore, it's like pair programming with someone who's memorized every line of your code. But here's where it gets really powerful, combining these capabilities. Open multiple AI tabs and use the new cross-instance communication feature. Set up one AI instance to monitor your project management tool, another to track your email patterns, and a third to maintain your knowledge base. They now share context through the unified dashboard, creating a personalized AI ecosystem that evolves with your work. Let me show you the power user setup that's changing everything. First, configure your memory profile with specific details about your industry, your role, and your current challenges. Next, create workflow automations for your repetitive tasks: email processing, report generation, research compilation. Then set up collaborative sessions for your creative work: writing, brainstorming, problem solving. Finally, enable cross-platform integration so all your AI tools share context. Here's a pro tip that most people miss: the new custom instructions panel has advanced settings hidden behind the More Options button. Click it, and you'll find behavioral modifiers. You can now fine-tune how assertive, creative, or detail-oriented you want your AI to be for different types of tasks. Set up different profiles, one for analytical work, one for creative projects, one for communication. Another insider trick, use the new feedback loop system. After each AI interaction, rate the response quality in the small feedback panel. But here's the secret: click the advanced feedback option and specify exactly what you liked or disliked. This trains your personal AI model to match your preferences over time. Most people skip this step and wonder why their results stay generic. The context bridging feature is absolutely game-changing for complex projects. When you're working on something that spans multiple conversations or sessions, use the Link Context button to connect related discussions. The AI maintains thread continuity across weeks or months, remembering project evolution and decision rationale. For the ultimate setup, enable preview mode in your AI settings. This shows you proposed responses before they're finalized, letting you steer the direction in real time. Combined with the new iteration controls, you can refine outputs collaboratively instead of starting over with new prompts. These aren't just incremental updates, they're fundamentally different ways of working with AI. The people who master these capabilities now will have an enormous advantage over those still using basic chat interfaces. Remember, at TechNavigator Pro, we help you navigate your tech journey with confidence, and staying ahead of these AI developments is crucial for your success. Don't forget to subscribe for more cutting-edge tech tutorials, and drop a comment below sharing which of these 5 capabilities you're most excited to try. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here, and now you know how to harness it.